Welcome to Ronan and Grayson TV. I'm Grayson, aka RG Beast.
And I'm Ronan, aka RG Source, and this is Snowstorm Stereotypes. So let's go.
Dude, come on, we're about to build a snow fort.
Oh, I just forgot, my knee hurts. Oh, this coat is way too short. Oh, this coat is way too long. Okay, that's it. I can't handle this anymore. I'm done. Let's go. We're gonna build a fort.
No, I'm good. It's fine.
Hey, have you seen Archie's spine anywhere?
No, I haven't.
Wait a minute. What's that noise? Hey guys, I'm shoveling the driveway. Hi.
What the heck?
You gotta shovel it once in a while, right?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay, so we're gonna make a snow fort.
Yo, why is it so short? You have to follow the instructions.
Ah! Oh no! No! What are you doing? Grayson, what are you doing? No! What are you doing? No! What are you doing? No! Don't push me! Don't push me!
Let's go, we're gonna go tobogganing.
Oh, no, thanks. I'm reading a fascinating book.
Why would you do that? This is not a garbage dump! What do you think this is?
I don't know. It's called a house.
You put your garbage in the trash bin!
Man, I'm starving. No.
Dude, where have you been all that time?
And
Oh, I go outside! Why can't I go outside? It's so rude. Hey, come on, we're gonna go sledding at the hill.
I can't. My back really hurts.
Oh, okay, suit yourself.
Wait. Wow, I never knew two electronics could be so enjoyable.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you haven't already, subscribe to Ronan and Grayson TV. Like the video, and comment down below what you want to see next. See you on the next video.
Bye.
Bye.